Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the place where we help you find the best kitchen tools and gadgets to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best carbon steel woks you can buy right now. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, a good carbon steel wok can take your stir fries, noodles, and fried rice to the next level. We've carefully selected these options based on build quality, heat distribution, ease of seasoning, and overall value for money. So make sure to watch till the end to find out which wok stands out as the best choice for your kitchen. All the product links are mentioned in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and grab the one that fits your needs best. Now let's get started. MA5 Babish Carbon Steel. The Babish 14-inch carbon steel wok is a kitchen essential for anyone who loves authentic stir-fry and high-heat cooking. Crafted from heavy-gauge carbon steel, it delivers rapid and even heat distribution, making it perfect for frying, searing, and sautéing. The riveted wooden handles provide durability and remain cool to the touch, while the wok's surface naturally develops a non-stick patina over time for effortless food release and cleanup. It's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction stoves, and even safe for the grill. Just remember to hand wash only and season properly for long-lasting performance. With simple care, rinse, dry, oil, and heat, you'll keep your wok in top shape for years. Don't forget to check out the Babish brand store for more premium kitchen essentials. 4. Tiwi 13 Wok New. Discover the future of cooking with our upgraded modern non-stick carbon steel wok set. After years of research and innovation, we've developed state-of-the-art non-stick technology that brings you a whole new cooking experience. The rough, granular surface isn't a flaw. It's a natural non-stick layer designed to prevent food from sticking, burning, or rusting, while being incredibly easy to clean. This 13-inch pre-seasoned wok, made from premium black carbon steel, is lightweight yet durable, heating up quickly for even cooking. The set includes a lid, spatula, and cleaning brush, making it perfect for family meals, serving 3 to 5 people. With its flat bottom design, it's compatible with all stove types, induction, gas, or electric. Whether you're stir-frying, pan-frying, braising, or steaming, this wok can do it all. Plus, the detachable handle and silicone spatula add comfort and protection while you cook. Experience effortless, healthy cooking, and welcome the next generation of cookware into your kitchen today. 3. Todlabe Carbon Steel Wok. Looking for a high-quality wok that delivers authentic flavor and top performance? Our pre-seasoned carbon steel wok is the perfect choice. Made from premium carbon steel, it naturally develops a non-stick surface without any chemical coatings. Pre-seasoned at over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit using nitrogen treatment, this wok offers exceptional wear, fatigue, corrosion, and heat resistance. Designed for genuine taste, it reacts quickly to heat changes and locks in the juices and flavors of your ingredients. Its curved design and high walls ensure even heat distribution and a wider cooking surface for perfect stir-frying. The flat bottom makes it compatible with all stovetops, gas, electric, and induction, so you can easily stir-fry, deep-fry, braise, or pan-fry at home. With its ergonomic wooden handle, you'll enjoy a secure, comfortable grip while cooking for 3 to 6 people. Plus, the vertical lid stands upright for convenience. And you'll get a silicone spatula included in the set. Backed by lifetime quality assurance, this wok set is built to last. Add it to your kitchen and start cooking like a pro today. 2. Yosakata Black Carbon Steel. Bring genuine Asian flavor right into your kitchen with the Yosakata 13.5-inch flat-bottom carbon steel wok, the perfect blend of tradition, performance, and versatility. This wok locks in rich, smoky flavors to give your dishes that authentic restaurant-style taste, whether you're cooking Chinese, Japanese, or Thai cuisine. Pre-seasoned at over 600 degrees Fahrenheit for a better non-stick start, it's made from premium black carbon steel with no synthetic coatings or PTFE, making it 100% safe and non-toxic. Designed with a sturdy ergonomic wooden handle, this wok offers comfort and control even under high heat. From stir-frying and pan-searing to deep-frying and steaming, it's an all-in-one cooking tool that works on gas, electric, induction, or even outdoor grills and campfires. Lightweight yet durable, the Yosakata wok is easy to handle, store, and perfect for both home cooks and professionals who crave that genuine wok flavor every time. 1. Craft Wok 731W88. Experience authentic Asian cooking with the Craft Wok 14-inch round-bottom carbon steel wok, a commercial-grade kitchen, essential, trusted by professionals since 2014. Crafted from 15-gauge, 1.8 millimeters heavy carbon steel, this wok delivers excellent heat distribution and durability for true wok-high flavor. Its traditional curved bottom design makes stir-frying effortless, allowing ingredients to slide naturally for perfect texture and taste. Hand-hammered by skilled Chinese artisans in Guangzhou, this 4.6-pound wok features a sturdy wooden handle for a secure grip and a heat-resistant steel helper handle for safe, high-heat cooking. Please note, this wok is not suitable for flat electric or induction stoves. It's designed for gas stovetops, open flames, BBQs, and professional jet burners. Each wok comes with complete seasoning instructions to help you maintain its performance and prevent rust. From home cooks to master chefs, Craft Wok has been the go-to brand for over a decade. Craft Wok, Love Wok, Live Wok. Thanks for watching. Those were our picks for the top 5 best carbon steel woks you can buy right now. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, a good wok can take your stir-fries, noodles, and all your favorite dishes to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future kitchen gear reviews. All the product links are listed down below in the description box. Check them out for the latest prices and more details. See you in the next one.